Morning. Right. Whew. And we're off. Good to be off the tarmac and back on this kind of terrain. He's good. Just sort of crashed, but I'm alright. Oh, I forgot how hard this stuff is. No foot down, so that counts as a win. Looking ahead. Looking ahead. What have we done there? Hello. Squidgy. He's okay. Yep. Oh man, I forgot the downhill bits almost as hard as the uphill bits. Honestly, any other time I come up here, I see no people at all. Today, all this bit's rough. Ow! Okay. See loads of people. Horse riders, miniature horses, miniature people, old people with sticks. Right. Okay. Now, from here on in, it's going to get muddy. Not too bad actually, by the looks of it. And also uphill. Now, oh man, see this could be really bad. No, it's alright, it's alright. Do I need a lower gear? No, I think I'm okay. Go over there. That's good. Oh man. Yep, I'm going to get muddy. Could be worse though. I've seen this absolutely covered in water. Where's my line now? Oh, what am I doing? I think I'm alright. Oh man, it's really deep. Oh. Come on. No, he's stuck. Oh, and the foot's gone in. Right. I'm okay. Do that. Pull the bike out with you. And we're over this way. Not too bad at all. Right, a bit of a fail, but never mind. Why was I not up that hard pack bit on the side? Oh, God knows. Right, where's my line? Over there. As long as I can get around that fallen branch stick thing, I'll be alright. Okay. Bramble. That's why you have gloves. It's not easy. Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Oh yeah, climbing is the dream. Good climbing. With the horse droppings. Got the lower gear for this next bit. Oh, that's not ideal. Here's that rock. Now let's see. That's up on that one. No, it's still good. It's still good. It's still good. Oh man, the gears crunch, crunch, crunch. But we're easy now at least. Actually, I could do with one on the front. The back rear, rather. Oh, butterfly. Oh man, a comma. That's beautiful. And now I'm stopped again. Okay, and resume. So easy. We're doing up. Give it some good line. Now, you've got the blocks up here, and this terrain where you have to go over it and come on. Oh, slip. Okay. Get out the bloody bushes, come on. First, nice. Okay. I'll have to clean that another time. I'll be back. Right, good. Oh, horses. Oh, man and his dog is out there. Morning.
Morning.
So, right, probably leave it in this gear. It's difficult to say. This looks like civilised, this bit, but the next hill off to the right here is, when you're doing this route in this direction clockwise, probably the hardest bit. I'm going to leave it in second. Yeah, so we got this very tough terrain. I'm not sure I picked the right line there. Oh yeah, definitely not the right line. Gonna come down. You've got to go up that side, I think, up the right hand side here. I'm not going to do it again. There'll be plenty of other opportunities. Right, just need a good starting point. It's just so stratified. Oh, hoverflies again. Oh, bloody hell. It's so stratified. Sort of cross bedding that it's very, very difficult to get up it in a straight line that takes you off to one side. Okay. So you immediately start going back the opposite way to what you want. And then the tyres aren't terribly gripping. We've done the worst of it now. There was a foot down back there, full disclosure. Okay. Oh, it's so nice for the sun out to see life returning to the world. Yeah, well, the natural world anyway. Although I've seen more people up here today than I have up here in a long, long time. I think maybe there's a lot of people who've been isolated and they're just want to get outside. Oh man, right, that's the worst of it done. After this next short climb, Willow, now you won't be able to see this on camera, right side down this time, but here we have, this is unusual because this is a bloody nosed beetle. It won't want to climb on my hand, I can guarantee you that, because they can sense the, yeah, there we go, they can sense that it's a warm thing, not a natural thing. But I don't want to leave them on the path. Yeah, there we go. He'll climb on the wood because that's the same temperature as everything around him. There we go. Put him off to one side. I hate to think of him surviving the winter and coming out of hibernation to do whatever it's going to do, and then walking across a track and getting squashed by someone after all that time. So he's heading in that direction anyway. Let's hope it's where he wanted to go. Right, onwards. Oh, this is easy. Kind of not testing myself much in these gears, but it's been a long time since I rode this track on a mountain bike, like probably, or definitely over 10 years. So ease it back in. Oh, when it's dry like this, it's perfect. Whoa, so if you're looking at the camera, the camera's doing its thing, leave the camera alone. At least I hope the camera's doing its thing. I've actually got no idea. I could just be talking to myself all this time. Right, look at this. I need a gear, but shit, it's too late. Pick a line. Use front and back brake equally. Oh, here we go. Smooth line down the edge. It's nice. And back to it. Only a short little one now. Oh man. And here, if I can wedge my knife in this hole, we have climbs this gate, Western Supermare. I can just about see my house from here. Couldn't tell you which one exactly it is, but it's up there somewhere. Or down there somewhere. Oh, there's a spider on my wheel. Oh, mate, that's a bad idea. And what else could I do? Go home, meditate, I suppose. Oh, it's nice out here though. Come out again tomorrow. Right. Should we change up into a higher gear? There we go, middle cog. A bit more control. Trying to keep up with the hard stuff. Dead easy. Oh no. Very good. Whoa! Come on! And here we are, back where we started. Now I can do the whole tarmac roads back into the town thing. But I'll stop recording there.